Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade. First, gather your ingredients. About 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. You'll also need a large pitcher, a reliable lemon juicer, and a long stirring spoon. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple recipe is perfect for a refreshing drink on a warm day. Now, let's get to juicing. Start by washing your lemons thoroughly under cool water. Then, carefully cut each lemon in half. Using your juicer, extract all the juice from each lemon half. Be sure to press firmly to get every last drop. You're aiming for roughly 1 cup of fresh, tangy lemon juice for the perfect balance of flavor. Next, it's time to create our sweet base. Pour your freshly squeezed lemon juice into the large pitcher. Add the 1 cup of granulated sugar directly into the juice. Stir the mixture vigorously for a few minutes until you see that all the sugar has completely dissolved. This step is crucial for a smooth, well-balanced lemonade, forming a concentrated lemon syrup. Finally, let's complete our delicious lemonade. Pour the 4 cups of cold water into the pitcher with your lemon syrup. Give it a good stir one last time to ensure everything is perfectly combined. For the best taste, chill your lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.